Now multiply, scalar multiplication of a matrix. What is scalar multiplication of a matrix? So in matrix method, when they ask you to find the equation, directly you can take x is A inverse B. First find determinant, then find adjoint, then find x. Coefficient matrix means write the quotient of x, y, z for first equation in first row, second equation in second row, third equation in, I wrote x is what? 1 by determinant A into adjoint A into B. Verify. How to verify? After you get x, y, z value, put it in LHS of any one of the three equations, it should give RHS. Welcome to the session, dear students. In today's class, we will be studying very important topic, that is matrix method of solving equations. So in my last class, I taught you how to find cofactor, how to find adjoint, how to find inverse. In today's class, we will solve problems by matrix method. So first question, solve by matrix method. One of the important questions for your board exam. Matrix method of solving the linear equations. So the first and foremost thing is you need to find determinant. First write coefficient matrix. First symbolize the equation in the form of matrices. A means coefficient matrix, that is 5, minus 1, minus 4. Second row 1, 4, 2. Third row 3, minus 1, minus 1. So now you have written a matrix, and we call this as coefficient matrix. And then x means what? Variable matrix. Variable matrix means x, y, z. Then we have constant matrix. Constant matrix means B, that is 4, 12, 3. So now you have A, x and B. Once you know the value of A, x and B, first task is you need to find determinant. First find determinant of A. What is meant by determinant of A? So you know how to find determinant of 3 cross 3 matrix. So 5 into, delete the row and column. So you know plus, minus, plus. Then delete the row and column where 5 is. That is, we'll have determinant of 4, 2, minus 1, 1. 4 into minus 1 is minus 4, plus 2. Minus of minus 1 is plus 1. Delete the column and row where minus 1 is. So 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. And 3 into 2 is minus 6. Then plus into minus, minus 4 into, delete the column and row, you will have 1 into minus 1, minus 1, minus 4, 3 is a 12. Now simplify this, you will get 5 into, it will become minus 2, plus 1 into, it will become minus 7, minus 4 into, minus 13. Further simplify this, so we will get minus 10, minus 7 plus 13 into 4. Simplify this, 52 minus 17. 52 minus 17, that gives you 35. Now you got determinant of A. What is determinant of A? 35. Determinant of A is not 0. So therefore inverse exists. So first task is to find determinant. So now we have achieved the first step. So first they'll give the equations. For the equations, first write coefficient matrix. Coefficient matrix means write the quotient of x, y, z for first equation in first row, second equation in second row, third equation in third row. Now this is a quotient of x, quotient of y, quotient of z. So this is coefficient matrix. Then you write variable matrix. Capital X is x, y, z. So all three equations are made up of three different variables, x, y, z. Then you write constant matrix, that is 4, 12, 3. So now you know A, x, b. Then you find determinant. You got the value of determinant. Determinant is 35. You got determinant is what? 35. So after you find determinant, so now we need to go and find adjoint. So I told you in single step you can find adjoint. Taking the matrix, first you take matrix A. What is matrix A given? 5 minus 1 minus 4, 5 minus 1 minus 4, then 1 4 2, then 1 4 2, then 3 minus 1 minus 1, 3 minus 1 minus 1. So now check the entries, 1 4 3 minus 1 minus 1 minus 4 2. So now in one step you can find adjoint. So to find adjoint, so adjoint of A is equal to, write a big matrix. Write a big matrix and write the elements. How to write the elements? So first plus minus plus, and determinant plus minus plus, then minus plus minus, then plus minus plus. Alternates. Start from positive and go on alternating. Plus ಇಂದ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಮೈನಸ್, ಮೈನಸ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ plus minus plus. Now I wrote determinants 2 cross 2. Now we'll take, so do row wise and write column wise. Do row wise and write column wise. So if you do that, A11 first row first element, if you leave these two, you'll get 4 2 minus 1 minus 1. Further, for this second element, first row second element, leave first row, leave second column, so you'll get 1 2 3 minus 1 1 2 3 minus 1, write it in second column. Then this, see, now I have done for this and now I'll go for this. So leave the first row and leave the column, you'll get 1 4 3 minus 1 1 4 3 minus 1. Then go to the next element 1, leave this and leave this, you'll get minus 1 minus 4 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 4 minus 1 minus 1. Check the entries, leave this and leave this, you'll get minus 1 minus 4 minus 1 minus 1. Then second element, so leave this and leave this, you'll get 5 minus 4 3 minus 1 5 minus 4 3 minus 1. Then third, leave this and leave this, you'll get 5 minus 1 3 minus 1. So third element, leave this and leave this, you'll get 5 minus 1 3 minus 1. Then go to the third, this place. So third row first column, you leave it minus 1 minus 4 4 2 minus 1 minus 4 4 2. Then this one, leave this and leave this, you'll get 5 minus 4 1 2 5 minus 4 1 2. Then leave this and leave this, you'll get 5 minus 1 1 4 5 minus 1 1 4. Now coming to this, you can find adjoint. So 4 into minus 1 is minus 4 plus 2, minus 4 plus 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Simplify ಮಾಡಿ, minus 4 minus of minus becomes plus 2, so we'll get minus 2. So this is a minus 2, and then delete this as a multiply, minus into minus becomes plus, 1 ones are 1, minus 4 1 minus 4 is minus 3, minus of minus 3 becomes plus 3 plus 3. Then delete this, 1 into minus 2 is minus 2 plus 16, minus 2 plus 16 is 14 positive. So we got first row, check the first row. What is the first row? Minus 2 3 14, minus 2 3 14 you got. Now further multiply, 1 into minus 1 is minus 1 minus 6, minus 1 minus 6 is minus 7, minus of minus 7 becomes plus 7. Then minus 5 plus 12, so minus 5 plus 12 is 7, positive 7 again. Then 10 plus 4 14 minus 14. Then minus 1 minus 12 minus 13. Then minus 5 plus 3, minus 5 plus 3 becomes minus 2, minus of minus 2 becomes plus 2. 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 1 21. So we got the entries, check the entries. So all the entries you can check and further proceed. So minus 13 to 21 is the last row, and see, check the rows, and second row 7 7 minus 14, first row minus 2 3 14. So first your adjoint, if any one entry or one sign is wrong, you will not get the answer. So now we got adjoint. Now we will go further. So now you know determinant. See, the basic of finding inverse is, the given system of equations is written as quotient matrix into variable is equal to b. This is the equations in matrix form. Multiply A inverse on both sides. If you multiply A inverse on both sides, you will get A inverse into A into x is equal to A inverse into b. So understand, A into A inverse is called as I, into x is equal to A inverse into b. I into x is what? X is what? A inverse into b. This is the formula, and we derived x means variable matrix is A inverse into B. But all these steps are not required. So in matrix method, when they ask you to find the equation, directly you can take X is A inverse B. So now I hope all of you understood these steps. So now we'll start with what? X value. What is X value? Directly A inverse into B. All of you know A inverse value also. In my last class I taught you how to find A inverse. 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. That's why I gave a homework for you people to solve inverse. So now you can apply this. 1 by determinant A into adjoint A into what? B. Now I wrote A inverse formula. So now what is X? X is A inverse B, A inverse into B. A inverse is what? 1 by determinant A into adjoint A into B. So now substitute it. 1 by, in the first step we got determinant for this problem we got 35. Just now we got adjoint. So refer what we got adjoint as minus 2, 3, 14. Minus 2, 3, 14. And what is the second row we got? Second row is 7, 7 minus 14. 7, 7 minus 14. And what is the third row we got? Third row we got minus 13 to 21, minus 13 to 21. Now this is the A inverse and B. What is B? Now write the value of B here into B baribeku. So what is B? B is what? Constant matrix. What is the constant matrix given? We'll see that and we'll write the value of B. So refer what is B given. In the problem B means constant matrix 4, 12, 13. Right side RHS, what is the constant? 4, 12, 13. So 4, 12, 13. So in the place of B, 4, 12, 13. I hope all of you understood this. So if you refer B, 4, 12, 3. Sorry, 4, 12, 3. So 4, 12, 3 you put. So now I wrote X. X is what? 1 by determinant A into adjoint A into B. So first X is A inverse B. A inverse formula all of you know 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. And we have B, carry that. So this is the formula. So now we substitute. So let 1 by 35 be as it is. Now multiply. First row with first column you multiply. If you do that you will get minus 2 into 4 plus 3 into 12 plus 14 into 3. Then 7 into 4 plus again 7 into 12 minus 14 into 3, then minus 13 into 4 plus 2 into 12 plus 21 into 3. Now simplify this. If you simplify you'll get A inverse is equal to 1 by 35 and minus 2 4s are minus 8 plus 12 3s are 36 and 14 into 3. So 14 into 3, 42. Then 7 4s are 28 plus 12 7s are 84 minus plus into minus is minus 14 into 3 that is 42 again. Then 13 into 4 minus 52 plus 24 plus 21 into 3, 63. You can use calculators and don't do any errors so that your end answers be perfect. Now 36 plus 42 minus 8. 30 plus 40 70, 76, 78, 78 minus 8 is 70 and 80 plus 20 100, 108, 108 plus 4, 108 plus 4 112, 112 minus 2 110 minus 40 again 70, 63, 83, 83 plus 4 87 minus 52 that is 35 positive. So now we got this. Now multiply scalar multiplication of a matrix. What is scalar multiplication of a matrix? Multiply this number to each element. If you do that you will get 1 by 35 into 70, 1 by 35 into 70 and 1 by 35 into 35. Simplify this. 35 ones are 2s are, 35 ones are 2s are, 35 ones are, 35 ones are. So we'll get 2, 2, 1. So we got x. X is made up of what? X, Y, Z. But we got the values as numbers. What are the numbers we got? 2, 1, 1. From this, what is the conclusion? Therefore, the X value is 2, Y value is 1, Z value is 1. So, we got the answers. My dear students, after this, you don't stop the process. Till this, if you're correct, they'll give full marks. But verify, it will take 10 seconds to verify. Whatever you got X, Y, Z, put it in any one of the equations, LHS, it should give RHS. So now I'll teach you how to do verification. So now we'll do verification. I hope all of you understood how to get the answer. So now we'll take LHS of equation 1. So I'll go to the LHS of equation 1. Refer the problem. In the problem, what is the LHS of equation 1? 5x minus y minus 4z. 5x minus y minus 4z. So in the place of x, y, z, put the values. What is x? 2. 5 into 2 minus what is y value? 1 minus 4 into z. What is z value? 1. So 5 to z 10 minus 1 minus 4. 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 minus 4z. Sorry. 4 into z is 4 into 1. 5 to z 10. So now it will become what? 10 minus 5. So refer the equation 1. 5x minus 5 minus 4z. 5x minus y minus 4z. Sorry, this is 1, 2, 2. See, here 2, right? So y is what? 2. So substitute 2. So now 10 minus 2, 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. So you will get RHS. So when I substituted x value 2, y value 2, z value 1, we got the answer. So here we got 2 to 1. This is x, this is y, this is z. So it will take just 10 to 20 seconds to verify. After doing so much, this is not required actually, but my suggestion to all of you, verify. How to verify? After you get x, y, z value, put it in LHS of any one of the 3 equations, it should give RHS. If you're not getting RHS, somewhere you have done mistake. That's the meaning. So now we got x, y, z. So this is matrix method of solving the problem. So writing the formula, you should not forget writing the formula 1 mark. Finding the determinant 1 mark. So determinant A, we got 35. For that they'll give 1 mark. Writing the formula, what is x? X is A inverse B. What is x? A inverse B. What is A inverse? 1 by determinant A into adjoint A into B. ಇದೆರಡು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫೈನಲಿ ಇಫ್ ಯುವರ್ XYZ is exactly correct, then they'll award full marks. It's a standard 5 mark question repeatedly asked in your board paper. So matrix solve the equations by matrix method. Let me just summarize what we have done. So now solve by matrix method. Solve by matrix method. So they gave 3 equations. They're asking you to solve by matrix method. So how to solve by matrix method? First write the quotient matrix. Quotient matrix is A. Quotients of x, y, z, you put it in a matrix, that is coefficient matrix A. Then variable matrix capital X, that variables involved, that is x, y, z, write it as column matrix. Then B means constants. If you multiply A into x is equal to B, you will get these equations. Then first find determinant of A. So when you find determinant of A, all of you know how to find 3 cross 3 determinant, plus minus plus, and then you delete this, you know how to find. After you find, you should get a number which is not as 0. So you got 35 which is not 0. Therefore conclusion it is non-singular. You can go ahead finding inverse. So first they'll check your determinant. If determinant is wrong, no marks will be awarded. After you find determinant, go to adjoint. Minor, cofactor, adjoint is a long process. Directly you can find adjoint. Put a big matrix and put sign plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. Then for each element, first A11, A12, A13 like that. For each element you find minus, find row wise and put column wise. Find row wise and put column wise. Then you will get adjoint. After you get adjoint, here please understand, if any one element, if sign is wrong or element is wrong, the whole answer will be wrong. So you will not get the variable. So be careful, be cautious while solving, because 9 entries are there. In any one entry, if you do a silly mistake, that will be carried. So patiently you find adjoint. After you find adjoint, you have to find x. X is what? A inverse into B. How to find A inverse? 1 by determinant A into adjoint A into B as it is. So 1 by determinant A in the first step we got, adjoint A in the second step we got B. Now do matrix multiplication. First row with first column gives first element, second row with first column gives you second element, third row with column gives you third element. After you get capital X, substitute them in LHS of any one of the equation, that will give you RHS. So By this, I taught you matrix method. We have done one problem as a demonstration problem. I expect you people, I'm giving you two more. So solve this by matrix method. So second problem, I'm expecting you people to solve these three equations by matrix method. What is the procedure? First find rate A. How to write A? 2 minus 1, 1, 1, 3 minus 2, 1, 1, 1. Then write variable matrix X. How to write variable matrix X? X, Y, Z. Then write constants, that is 3, 1, 1. First find determinant A, then find adjoint A, then find A inverse, then find X. What is X? A inverse into B. What is A inverse? 1 by determinant A into adjoint A into B. So use all these techniques and solve this by matrix method. That is a task given for you people. And in my next session, we'll see different types of problems in matrix method. Just I'll guide you how to rearrange and how to find. I hope all of you understood the method. First find determinant, then find adjoint, then find X. After you find X, Y, Z, substitute in any one of the equation to check whether you are correct or not. So now, I am giving you one more question. Try this by yourself, and I'll see you in my next session, where we'll go ahead with some more problems of matrix method. I'll compile the problem you have to solve. So practice all the problems in the exercise. So thanks for attending the session. Thank you.